Hello students, this is your math teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 8 mathematics chapter first, that is rational number. So before starting this chapter, first of all you have to learn about the what is rational number. So let's start. See here, rational number. What is rational number? The number of the form a by b where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. See, according to definition here given, that is the number in the form of a by b. That is, let's take an example here. I am taking an example, that is 2 by minus 2 by 3. So this is a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 3. See, minus 2 and 3 is what? Integers. And here at the b is not equal to 0. ये b नीचे 0 नहीं होगा because possible नहीं है. It is not defined. See, when I am saying that 0 is rational number, yes, 0 is a rational number. Put it here 1. So when you divide 1 0 by 1, see 1 0 is a 0. It is possible. But when I am taking 1 by 0, see now if you read any times of the table of 0, you will get 0. So it is not possible, it is not defined. So that's why b is not equal to 0 according to a definition. Now in this chapter we are going to learn different types of rational numbers, that is positive and negative. First I am taking here two examples, that is a positive rational number and negative rational number. See, when I am saying that 2 by 5, see add the numerator and the denominator, है ना? The sign of the numerator and the denominator you have, that is plus. So 2 by 5 is said to be a positive rational number. When I am taking minus 2 by 5, see here minus 2 is what? Negative, that is numerator is negative integers and this is your positive integer. If one of them, both not, one of them of denominator, either denominator or the numerator are in negative sign, then your given rational number is said to be a negative rational number. So now in this chapter we have to perform different arithmetic operation on a rational number, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, and in this first exercise of a rational number, you have to write the equivalent. So you have to also learn, you have to know about the what? Equivalent rational number. What is equivalent? See, if I am taking one example again, that is minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 6. See, is these are they are in equivalent or not? How to check? See, now first is same, second one 4 by 6. If you simplest them, that is 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6, you will get minus 2 by 3, same. So you can say that these minus 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are in equivalent. These are in equivalent. ये आपका equivalent में है. तो equivalent होता क्या है? minus 4 by 6 and minus 2 by 3 are equivalent because the fractional or the rational value of these two are same. Why? When you simplify these minus 4 by 6, when you simplify, जब आप इसको simplify करोगे तो you will get 2 by 3. So these are these and these are what? In equivalent. तो ये आपका equivalent कहलाता है. और equivalent जो perform करते हैं, है ना, when we perform forming an equivalent, then two thing we have to put in mind, that is 1. If you have given a by b, then if you have to multiply by numerator m, then you will also have to multiply the denominator by the same digits, that is mm. And when you have to divide with the same digits number, then also we will have to divide by denominator by a same digits, same number. तो ये आपका है इक्विवेलेंट बनाने का तरीका। दो ही चीज़ कर सकते हैं, या तो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, है ना, यू विल ओनली डू टू थिंग्स, ओनली मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड, नॉट एडिशन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्शन। ठीक है, जो इक्विवेलेंट बनता है आपका दो ही चीज़ से बनता है, वन मल्टीप्लाई करने से और आपका डिवाइड करने से। ठीक है, तो चलो लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज टू बी डन। सी here you have I am taking one example, that is minus 33 by 44, and you have question, that is write the equivalent of minus 33 and 44. So minus 33 and 44 है ना, before solving you have to find the HCF of these two, numerator and denominator. And what is the HCF of 33 and 44? That is 11. So let's divide minus 33 by 11 and 44 by 11. So 11 3 ja 33 minus and 11 4 ja 44. So minus 3 by 4 is an equivalent of minus 33 by 4. पहले आप first of all you have to find the HCF, then divide it from the numerator and denominator both. Okay, so by following this process you have to find the equivalent of a number, rational number. See, now if you have given minus 2 by 9 and you have question, that is write 4 equivalent of a number. So first write 2 by 9, that is 2 1 ja 2 and 9 1 ja 9, and second minus 2 into 2 and 9 into 2, you will get 2 2 ja 4 and 9 2 ja 18. Again minus 2 by 9, multiply it with from 3 and 3, 2 3 ja 6 and 9 3 ja 27. Now minus 2 by 9 again by 4 into 4, 2 4 ja minus 8, minus 2 into 4 and 9 4 ja 36, and here you have 2 by 9 into 5 into 5, that is 10 by minus 10 by 45. See, minus 4 by 18, minus 6 by 27, minus 8 by 36 and minus 10 by 45. These four are the required 4 equivalents of a given rational number, that is minus 2 by 9. तो इस तरह से आपको परफॉर्म करना है। ठीक है, नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज हाउ टू कंपेयर अ रेशनल नंबर। कंपेरिजन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर। सी, दो मेथड है। व्हेन यू हैव गिवन टू रेशनल नंबर, that is minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5, ये आपको गिवन है। तो कैसे परफॉर्म करोगे? सी, यू हैव टू अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला, that is a by b and c by d. तो राइट a into d and b into c. See, multiply a into d and write it here on the left side, and b into c write it here on the right side. So let's perform here also. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10, and plus 3 and minus 4 minus 12. So minus 10 and minus 12, which is greater and which is smaller? So in negative sign, which is seems to be greater is lesser. जो बड़ा दिखता है वो क्या होता है? छोटा होता है। तो -12 क्या होगा आपका, लेस होगा, और ये -10 क्या हो जाएगा, बड़ा हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे -10 इधर आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू पुट द साइन हियर। सो -2/3 इज ग्रेटर। तो ये परफॉर्म करना है आपको। सी अगेन देखिए, -2 and 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करके इधर लिखना है, 3 and 4 इधर लिखना है। नाउ कंपेयर करना दोनों को, जो भी बड़ा होता है जो छोटा होता है, तो यही साइन आपको यहाँ पुट करना है सेम। तो ये परफॉर्म करना है जब आपके पास व्हेन यू हैव गिवन टू रेशनल नंबर, व्हेन यू हैव गिवन टू रेशनल नंबर। नाउ सी when you have given more than what, two rational number, more than two rational number. I am taking one example here from your R.S. Agarwal class 8 mathematics books. See, 4 by -9, -5 by 12, 7 by -18 and -2 by 3. See here, you have the some rational numbers I have right here. See, now first thing you have to do that, put the all minus sign before the numerator. -4 by 9, -5 by 12 and -7 by 18 and -2 by 3. ये आपका हो गया। जो भी साइन आपका डिनोमिनेटर में होगा उसको आपको नोमिनेटर में पुट कर लेना है पहले। देन take the LCM. Take the LCM. LCM of what? 9, 12, 18, 3. 9, 12, 18 and 3. Take the LCM. 9, 12, 18 and 3. I hope you all are know how to take a LCM. See, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 4, 3 2 ja 1. Now 2 1 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So LCM you have, that is 36. LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3 is what? 36. 36 आया आपका LCM. And at the second step, take the first rational number -4 by 9 and -4 by 9 into 9 का जो आपका ये जो आपका LCM है, डिनोमिनेटर का LCM है, तो आपको डिनोमिनेटर को भी 36 बनाना है। यू हैव टू चेंज द डिनोमिनेटर इनटू 36. सो व्हाट, व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 9 into 4, 9 by 4, you will get the 36. So let's multiply 9 into 4 and remember one thing which I taught you earlier, that is when you have to multiply the denominator with a number, one number, then you have also multiply the numerator by the same number, that is here also 4. So 4 4 ja 16 and 9 4 ja 36. Now take the second rational number -5 by 12. Again perform -5 by 12 and convert 12 into 36. You have to multiply by 3 and again 3 also at the numerator. 5 3 ja 15 and 12 3 ja 36. And now -7 by 18. So -7 by 18. See, 18 2 ja 36. So -7 2 ja 14 and 18 2 ja 36. Now -2 by 3. So -2 into 3 into 12 into 12. -12 24 and here 36. सी, तो ये आपका हो गया। अब इसको क्या करना है, आपको अरेंज करना है। क्या करना है, इसको आपको अरेंज करना है। सो अगर आपका लाइक आपका ये होता है रेशनल नंबर या फिर फ्रैक्शन, ये आपका लाइक है, बिकॉज एट द डिनोमिनेटर द सेम डिनोमिनेटर, द ग्रुप ऑफ रेशनल नंबर विच हैव सेम डिनोमिनेटर, तो आपका लाइक के अंडर आ जाता है। तो आप जब नीचे आपका डिनोमिनेटर में आपका सेम होता है तो सिंपल आपका जो नोमिनेटर में हम लोग देखते हैं, जो छोटा होता है वो छोटा और जो बड़ा वो बड़ा। सो इन दिस रेशनल नंबर्स you have given 4 rational numbers. So -24 is smaller among these all, and after that -16 by 36, then -15 by 36, and then -14 by 36. This is the arrangement of ascending order. This is the arrangement of ascending order. Ascending order means बढ़ते क्रम, छोटे से बड़ा। असेंडिंग ऑर्डर है। एंड यू हैव टू राइट -24 36 आपका कहाँ से आया था, -24 एंड 36 आपका माइनस इक्विवेलेंट को लिखना है आपको, ओरिजिनल रेशनल नंबर जो आपका क्वेश्चन में गिवन था उसको राइट करना है। -16/4 -4/9 एंड हियर यू हैव -5/12 -5/12 and here also you have 14 -7/18. So this is the process to perform the rational number to arrange in a ascending order. Convert it into a equivalent, ऐसे इक्विवेलेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है इसको, having denominator what 42, डिनोमिनेटर क्या होना चाहिए 42, इसको कन्वर्ट करना है इस वाले को। -2/3 है, अब इस डिनोमिनेटर को क्या बनाना है आपको 42 बनाना है। तो 14 3 जा 42 होता है, 14 यहाँ भी होगा, तो -28/42 ये आपका हो गया इक्विवेलेंट निकालने का तरीका। तो इस तरह से आप परफॉर्म करोगे इक्विवेलेंट बनाने के लिए, ठीक है। अगर आपके पास व्हेन यू हैव गिवन अ स्मॉलर रेशनल नंबर एज कंपेयर टू गिवन इक्विवेलेंट डिनोमिनेटर इज 42, हियर यू हैव डिनोमिनेटर इज 3 which is greater, 42 is greater, so you have to multiply with 14। तो ये करना है। अगर आपको स्मॉलर से ग्रेटर पूछेगा तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है, और ग्रेटर से स्मॉलर पूछेगा तो डिवाइड करना है। तो ये आपका सारा परफॉर्म है। नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू होमवर्क, डू एक्सरसाइज क्लास 8, डू एक्सरसाइज 1A all, okay? So this is the homework. You will have to submit this on Friday, okay? So thank you.